Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I got a car back of me. The horn doesn't work. Well, the horn does work, but it's very low, like It doesn't sound like it's supposed to sound. So the customer got me this piece right here. So we're gonna replace this piece. So if you have a Honda, Toyota, Acura, Lexus, the horn works the same way. You press the horn, there's a ground that travels, there's a relay for horn, and there's a fuse. So besides this, I would suggest you check your relay and the fuse before anything. But if your horn sounds like this one, that's all you get. You don't get nothing out of it. Usually these are down below, water gets in, they get corroded, it gets damaged. Over time they go bad. But anyway, this guy has two prongs, meaning two wires, right there, two connectors. Some of them has one, so this piece right here will be used as a ground. So what we're gonna do is, we are gonna put this horn on, but I wanna show you what this horn sounds like. But on your car, if you have a Honda, Toyota, Acura, I want you to check your relay and the fuse before anything. But like I said, if it does have a sound, you don't need to check out fuse and the relay because obviously that's working. But if it doesn't work at all, you can put your hand on the relay and push the button and feel it. The relay will click. You will feel a click in your finger. So if that occurs, maybe your horn is completely dead, okay? But anyway, the part number on this one here is, you want to get something like this, HN17. There's a whole bunch of other numbers. I'll just put this close to the camera and so the camera can see. And Intermotor, that's the brand we're using. And it does come with a little whole bunch of accessories, wiring and everything in there. But anyways, let me let you listen to this horn first. Okay, so inside this car, what you're gonna do is listen to this. See that? He has a very light sound. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside the car. We're gonna go underneath the car. I'm gonna show you a horn where it's located. One thing I do want to tell you, some cars have it like down here, some have it right next to the latch here. Very common. Toyotas will have it up here. You can access it from right from the top, and some of them have cover on it, clips, take them out. But this car has it right down below there. So let's get this car up in the air. I just want to show you guys this horn right here. It's right here. It's right under this wheel well right here. Not the wheel well, but behind the bumper. So it does have a connector here. This one has two wirings in it. So you see a connector right there. So let's just pop this guy out of there. Okay. All right, so pretty much it got two wires on there. So we're gonna splice those two wires. That's all we're gonna do. And what we're gonna do is one more thing is right over here. Well, this one's missing a fog light, but you see right there, that's like a number 14. We're gonna take that off and the horn just should fall out. And we have our new setting with the new harness here. A lot of times if you have one pin connector, even for this one, I would make sure you clean the surface because this does get ground right through it. So make sure you clean the surface. If you have paint on it, clean that off, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that off first. Okay, so it's a number 12, and what I'm gonna do is I got this extension here. Even if you had no access here, you can reach from right down from below, okay? You can put a small little socket. Okay, there you go. And this guy is gonna come out. So a horn like that probably costs you like 40 bucks, sometimes a little bit more depending on where you're buying it from. Or if you want to get original, it probably costs you probably close to 100. All right, that's all your options, what you want to get. But anyways, this should come right off. And look at that. That horn is in terrible condition. Okay, let's throw this to the side. Alright, so what I did here was I spliced the connectors on there, connector here, and I put a little bit of heat shrink. I'm gonna put some on this too. But once you put the heat shrink, just give it a little bit of heating, and this is gonna just take a good hold, okay? Just don't go crazy melting it, just a little bit, alright? This is just a lighter. Anyways, I'm gonna put a little bit of tape all around it, but there you go. It should be nice and solid. And then I'm gonna take the new horn and put that in. I'll show you once I'm finished. We'll connect both of these in. You would wonder where would these go in? Just put them in anywhere, it doesn't matter. Okay guys, there's the horn. Make sure it's facing down so the water can't get in, water can get out. So make sure the bolts are tight, the connectors are in. I got the wiring in there and I locked down this bolt right here. But we're done here. Guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and that's it. Okay, so the job is done. This is something that you could do yourself. You got the car down on the floor, and check this out. All right, there you have it, and you can do it yourself. All right, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like.